Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with the exercises in workbook, that is on page number 70. Now today we are going to continue with that exercises only. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises on page number 71, chapter 8, the wise men of Ramnagar. The first exercise which we are going to do today is based on conjunctions. Conjunctions are the joining words. The words which add two or more sentences together are the conjunctions. The words which help in adding two or more sentences together. The words are not only, and, but, because, if. These are all conjunctions. We are going to do exercises based on this only. And the second exercise which we are given is we have to write the sentences using shall, ask, and I don't know. You have to write, we have been given questions. You have to write the answer of that questions using shall, ask, and I don't know. Using those words we have to write the answers. Now let us start. Now let us today also continue with the exercises in workbook on page number 71, as we have done till here. Now, conjunctions. Sometimes they are used, sometimes they are joined words. My shirt is white and blue, and is the conjunction over here. She is poor but very generous, but is the conjunction over here. Would you like tea or coffee or tea, or is the conjunction over here, as it is joining two words. Some conjunctions are used in pairs. You can have either bread or rice, or over here is the conjunction. She can neither sing nor dance. Neither and nor over here are conjunctions. Either and or over here are conjunctions, as these two are joining words. Now let us turn the page. He is both kind and polite. Both and over here are conjunctions, as they are joining two words. She is not only clever but also very good at games. Not only but also are the conjunctions over here, and these are joining words. Now, exercise which we are going to do is add suitable conjunctions in the blanks below. You have to add suitable conjunctions to the blanks which are being given over here. Now, first one is Rahul dash Rajesh are brothers. Rahul and Rajesh are brothers. Sunil is young dash clever, but very clever. He was poor but very generous. She is old and wise. Fifth one is you can take dash the big cook. You can take both the big cook and the small book. It's book. Sixth one is Shankar is dash tall. Shankar is not only tall but also heavy. Now, seventh one is Shekhar is dash not only handsome but also clever. Eighth one is will you come tonight dash will you come tonight for tomorrow morning. Ninth one is my uncle dash and my uncle and my aunt came, but my cousins did not. 10th one is she dash visited her friend. She not only visited her friend in hospital but also took him some grapes. But also took him some grapes. 11th one is the car was both old and very expensive. 12th one is he can sing dash he can't whistle. He can sing but he can't whistle. Now, second exercise which we are going to do is I don't know, shall ask, I shall ask. Look at the question and answer. Where does your mother buy rice? I don't know. I don't know where my mother buys rice. Second one is what did your father spend last week? I shall ask him. I shall ask my father what he spent last week. Now, make similar sentences. Start each sentence with I don't know or I shall ask. You have to make the answers using I don't know or I shall ask. Now, first sentence is question is where does your neighbor take his dog every evening? So the answer for this is I don't know where my neighbor takes his dog every evening. Now, second one is what did you get for your birthday 6 years ago? The answer for this is I don't know what I got for my birthday 6 years ago. Put a full stop at the end. Now let us move to third one. When do Mr. and Mrs. Goplan eat their lunch? I shall ask Mr. and Mrs. Goplan when do they eat their lunch? Put a full stop at the end. Fourth one is why did your brother come home late? I don't know. Why did my brother came home late? Put a full stop at the end of this sentence also. Fifth one is how does Manu stay underwater for 3 minutes? I shall ask Manu how does he stay under water for 3 minutes? Put a full stop at the end. Sixth one is when does your father read the newspaper? I don't know. When does my father read the newspaper? No. Seventh one is what did your friend say to his father? I don't know. When did my friend what did my friend say to his father? Put a full stop at the end. Eighth one is, where did Hema go for her holiday? The answer for this is, I don't know. Where did Hema go for her holiday? Put a full stop at the end. Ninth one is, how did you get that sum right? I don't know. How did you got that sum right? Put a full stop at the end. Now, 10th one is, why does your father always sing in the bathroom? I don't know. Why my father always sings in the bathroom. Put a full stop at the end. Now, as we complete with the exercises in workbook also today in our workbook. Now, what you all have to do is copy the same sentences as I have written in your workbook using pencil only. Don't use pen to write. Homework for you all is to answer the questions about this line from the story from your course book. Thank you.